Track 2.37. Unit 8. Vocabulary and Listening. Exercise 1. 1.
Dangerous.
Safe.
2.
Friendly.
Unfriendly.
3.
Noisy.
Quiet.
4.
Clean.
Dirty.
5.
Ugly.
Pretty.
6.
Old.
Modern.
Track 2.38. Unit 8. Vocabulary and Listening. Exercises 3 and 4.
Hey, Jake. How are you?
Oh, hi, Tina. Are you looking around the town?
Yes, it's nice.
Nicer than Miami?
Well, it's different from Miami. It's older. Miami is bigger, and there are a lot of modern buildings.
It's a big, bad city, is it?
It's not really bad. I guess there are 1 or 2 dangerous places.
Yeah, well, there are 1 or 2 dangerous places in Brighton too. But I suppose Brighton's safer.
I love these old streets and buildings. Brighton's a much prettier place, and it's quieter.
Maybe, but I'm sure Miami is more exciting. On the TV, Miami is really exciting, and there's always a lot of colour.
Yeah, Miami is always exciting on TV, but Brighton is great, and the people are friendlier here. The problem for me is the cold here. It's a lot warmer in Florida.
Yeah, so you prefer Miami?
Well, my friends and family are there, so yeah, I prefer Miami.
I understand. Oh well, you've got 1 or 2 friends here, you know.
Yeah, I know. Thanks, Jake. See you around.
Okay, see you, Tina.